In this video, let's learn how to create a printing file and mock-up images for the Tumbler name tag. First, visit Printway website. In the catalog section, type the product name to find the product you want to fulfill. Scroll down and in the File Guidelines section click here or download to start downloading the printing file and mock-up file. Open the printing template file in Photoshop or Photopea. You'll see the template file shown on the screen with all the detailed guidelines and notes for the product. The first row is for the cutting file for all layers of the name tag. All cutting files should be in a black shade. To make sure the final product fits in the lid of the tumbler, you should design your name tag based on the blue line on our file. All the printing files will be in the second row. You can create designs for all layers in this area. For the best results, always follow the note written on the file. For example, an important design should be in the safe zone or the file format should be PNG with 300 dpi. After completing the printing file, you can move to create mock-up images. For example, this is your printing file. Here is how you can create mock-up images with this printing file. Open the mock-up file. You can see all the mock-up images we've prepared for you. Click on the image you want to create a mock-up. For example, click on folder 3, click on the group 1 folder. On the first layer, right-click and select Relink to File. Choose the printing file that you've just finished, click Place and wait for the template to load. After the loading time finishes, your design will be applied to all image mock-ups. Now export the image, and that's how you can create a printing file and mock-up image with Printway template. We hope this helps. Now, let's try to make your product. Goodbye and see you in our next video.